Hey, how's it going? It's Jake over here at Handy Toyota. I just wanted to say thank you again for your business, and I wanted to jump out here very quickly to go ahead and show you the tutorial video for the Bluetooth for your new Tacoma. Let's go check it out. Hey, how's it going? It's Jake over here at Handy Toyota, again, part of the sales team. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to go ahead and Bluetooth your phone to your new Tacoma. So if you take a look at the screen, it should look similar to this. If it doesn't, let me know and I'll make another tutorial. We're going to go ahead and select phone. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to want to go ahead and push add. So you're looking for the Bluetooth name Toyota Tacoma. Okay, so now you're going to pull up your cell phone, go to your settings, go ahead and select settings, go to your Bluetooth tab. Now we're looking for the Toyota Tacoma, should be at the very bottom. There it is. We're going to go ahead and select it. It's asking if I want to allow my contacts. We're going to go ahead and allow that. Nothing's saved to the actual truck. It'll be saved to the memory of your phone, just so you're aware. It's asking me as well if I want to allow the messages. I personally don't, so I'm going to go ahead and push skip. But if you do, you want to go ahead and go to the Toyota Tacoma, select I, the blue one, and you're just going to show notifications if you do want to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead back to the Bluetooth. So everything's connected. So I'm going to go ahead and push OK. And as you can see, all my contacts are in here already installed. So if you're having more trouble with that, please do give me a call, 802-528-2246. Be more than happy to go ahead and make another video for you. Again, thank you for your business, and if there's anything I can do at all, please don't hesitate to call. Thank you and drive safe.